Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kaylar, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Texas requirements to homeschool and a couple of frequently asked questions, okay? So to homeschool in Texas, there are a couple of resources you can go to find the requirements. I will link those sites below in the description so you can check it out, okay? So the first 5 requirements are that you have to make sure you're doing reading, writing, math, grammar, and citizenship. And I believe you can pull history, that curriculum for the citizenship part. Also, to back that up, to make sure you're doing those 5 minimum requirements, it has to be done whether it's visual, on paper, or documentary of some sort to back that up to make it legit. There is no type of log that you have to keep track of, far as like records and time hours. There's none of that. There is no certain amount of days that you have to homeschool your child in the state of Texas. None of that is required. Just those minimum subjects and the things you have to do to make sure that you're teaching them reading, writing, math, grammar, citizenship, and such. Far as the financial part of it is really all on you and what your family can afford. I mean, it depends on the curriculum. Okay, so before my camera cut off on me, I was saying, far as the financial part of it is really all on you, depending on the curriculum and the materials that you use to homeschool your child. So that can vary. There is free resources and budget-friendly things that, options you can look into to homeschool. Me personally, I will be using free resources and within my budget resources and creating his curriculum based off that. So I'm just going to go to a budget-friendly route that fits my budget and other free resources as well. Let's see. I got my notes, so I'll make sure I'm covering everything.
What?
Also, the state does not fund homeschool parents at all. There's no grants or anything like that. It's all on you. Let's see. So I think that pretty much covers it far as the requirements, the financial part of it, and then when you do withdraw your child. Now this, after doing a little research, I kind of hear a lot of you have to withdraw them, fill out some type of paperwork. Some people say you just, go to the school, withdraw them. They'll give you the paperwork there. So I'm gonna just go up there to the school and withdraw them, and also ask, once you withdraw them, they are legally required to provide resources for your child. So whether you have a child with a learning disability, you want to get them evaluated, you can do that. If your child was on a IEP plan, they are required to provide resources for you as well. So like if your child have ADHD, stuff like that, they will provide resources for you within the district that your child goes to. So that's something to look into, that you need to talk to the school about, because they will provide that information. But like I said, the way I'm gonna go about it, I'm just go up to the school, speak to the principal, whoever in the front office, and do it that way, and make sure when I, fully withdraw him, there's nothing else that I need to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and, because you can see I'm in my car and I'm kind of on the go, wrap this video up here. I hope you find this video very informative. Again, I will put the links in the description box below where you can pull other resources from, where you can get some of the resources that I'm discussing in this video from, and go over a lot of questions Some of you might have. Excuse, that's Kyron in the background. So yeah, if you did find this video helpful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch up with you guys later. Again, leave any questions in the comments, and I will see y'all next week. Bye.